Okay, everybody. Hello. This is our new quiz on the United States. How much do you know about the United States? Or how much do you think you know about the history of the United States? If you are in high school, if you're a high school student, you should be able to get more than half of these answers. If you are out of high school and have already graduated, I think you should still be able to get at least half. If you are not an American, then just good luck and try your best. The answers will be at the end of the video, and I suggest maybe you get a piece of paper and copy your answers, write your answers down, so when you look at the answers at the end of the video, you can compare your answers with the answers on the video to the answers that you wrote down on paper. Alright, as you see, again, I have multiple choice to make it a little bit easier. So you have 4 choices up here for each question. Alright, and if you like this, please share it with others, send them the link, and hit that like button down the bottom, and also hit the subscribe button down the bottom. Alright? Alright, let's go ahead, let's get into it now. Number 1. Daniel Boone is famous for his exploration and settlement of which state? Tennessee, South Carolina, Kentucky, or Mississippi? Once again, Daniel Boone is famous for his exploration and settlement of which state? Number 2, who was known as the Wizard of Menlo Park? Was it Albert Einstein, Thomas Edison, Henry Ford, or Alexander Graham Bell? Who was known as the Wizard of Menlo Park? Number 3, we're going to go way back in history now. How many American colonists were killed in the Boston Massacre in 1770? Was it 1, 5, 12, 33? How many American colonists were killed in the Boston Massacre in 1770? All right, number 4. Again, we're going way back into history. For all you high school students, this is in your history books. What did inventor Eli Whitney receive a patent for in 1794? Was it for dynamite, the cotton gin, a zipper, or a sewing machine? What did inventor Eli Whitney receive a patent for in 1794? Number 5. George Washington introduced which animal to the United States? Was it the goat, the mule, the ox, or the camel? George Washington introduced which animal to the United States? Number 6, fairly easy question, I think. In which city was Motown Records founded? In Baltimore, in Detroit, in Chicago, in New Orleans? In which city was Motown Records founded? Number 7. What island is Pearl Harbor on? Is it on Oahu, Maui, Lanai, Kauai? What island is Pearl Harbor on? Number 8. Which president's time in office was termed Camelot? Ronald Reagan, John F. Kennedy, Franklin D. Roosevelt, or Richard Nixon? Which president's time in office was termed Camelot? Number 9. This is also in your history books. Which world leader sold the Louisiana Territory to the United States? Joseph Stalin, Winston Churchill, Napoleon Bonaparte, or Alexander the Great? Which world leader sold the Louisiana Territory to the U.S.? Number 10. This should also be in your history books. Which country ceded Florida to the United States in 1819? France, Canada, Spain, or Mexico? Which country ceded Florida to the United States in 1819? All right, do you have all your answers written down? All right, well, I'm going to give you a few more seconds, and then the answers should come up, and then you can compare your answers on the video to the answers that you wrote down to find out how good you are and what you know or what you think you know about the United States and about the history of the United States. If you're a high school student, once again, you should have gotten more than half of these answers correct, because most of these are actually written in your textbook, and I'm sure you studied them in American history class. Again, if you like this video, hit the like button down the bottom, hit the subscribe button, and be sure to share the link with others. So send them the link so they can also check out this video and test their knowledge of the United States, especially if you are in the United States. If you are an American citizen, you should know the answer to most of these questions. All right? All right.